Hello and welcome to Osaka Famous Spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this description. Today I will talk to you about the World Ranch. World Ranch is a fun and a peaceful place in the hill of the southern Osaka. It takes about 1 hour by car from Osaka City. Many people come here to meet animals and enjoy nature. There are over 100 kinds of animals such as sheep, horses, dogs, cats, kangaroos, and alpacas. You can not only see them but also touch them, feed them, and walk with them. This is a good place to feel close to animals. One popular activity is to take a walk with goats or sheep. It is fun to walk with animals in the fresh air. Many people share this experience on social media. It's a nice way to relax. There is also a place where you can play with dogs and cats. Children love it and adults enjoy it too. You can also rent a dog and walk around the farm. It is a good way to enjoy time with animals. In 2023, the glamping area was renewed. Now you can stay overnight and enjoy barbecue and camping under the stars. Many visitors from other countries choose to stay here after visiting Osaka or Nara. The sign in the park are in English, Chinese, and Korean. Foreign visitors can enjoy the park without worry. To go there, take the Kintetsu Nagano line to Tondabayashi Station. Then take a bus or taxi for 15 to 20 minutes. World Ranch is a good place to visit if you want to see animals and relax in nature. It's a great day trip from busy Osaka. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.